Hi, I'm Paulette Guthrie from Buy and Flip Homes. Well, when renting a property, you want to remember that a rental property, you're having tenants, and tenants don't always take care of your property. You want to buy products that also going to be durable and price point going to also be affordable because it's a rental. In renting a property, I put in wolf cabinets. They have a line for apartments, and the price point is very good for rental properties. They're still solid wood cabinets. None of our cabinets are made out of compressed board materials. It's all made out of plywood siding and hardwood floors and ducktail, in the drawers. So I would go with wolf cabinets for the apartments. Now for flooring, I like tiles in kitchens, bathrooms, laundry room. I'm a big fan of tiles because if it's installed properly, it will outlive the tenant that lives in your house. They can't damage that. But if you put in laminated floor, you have to remember water. As soon as water catches the laminated floor, it starts to like swollen at the joints, and you have to rip it out and put in new ones. So I wouldn't go with any kind of laminated floor in a rental property. I would use a luxury vinyl. A luxury vinyl product is made out of vinyl and it's waterproof. It's much better. Water catches it. You can vacuum that up in about 24 hours and the product will still sit nicely on the floor. And you don't have to worry about, you now have to throw it out, put new flooring in and spend more money. This is a good way to save some money because it's a rental. You want to remember they're not always going to take care of your home. You'll find a few tenants that will take really good care of your property, but there are some tenants out there that will damage your home and just don't care. And the deposit that they leave you will not cover all the damage that they cause. Also, some products that I use in rental property are carpets. When you use carpet, you have to remember, if you want to use carpet in a rental property, you want to use a Berber. And the reason why I like a Berber, because these carpets right here, when you look at the fur on it, if you walk on it constantly without vacuuming it regular, it goes flat. Now with a Berber, because of the tightness of a Berber, it tends to hold longer, so your tenants can't damage it as much. This is a Berber, and what I mean by a Berber, it's like really hard. So they walk on this and don't vacuum. Yes, they're gonna build up dirt, but it's not gonna lay flat as much as the other carpet, like a nylon carpet does. That's something that you can use. But I'm still a big fan if you have a choice and you can afford it, because the carpet is less expensive than a luxury vinyl. I would go with the luxury vinyl and don't put carpet in at all. I would avoid carpet for rental property. Thank you for watching this video, and the course link is in our bio. Bye!